circling, the metro circling and circling, and many of you called us asking what was going on. So we got on the phones for you. We called the Air Force. We called other military. We called DIA, the FAA. And still so far, the only answer we got is, I don't know. So we'll stay on top of it and let you know when we do get an answer.
Hi guys, and welcome to Trident. Reports are coming out of Toronto that a Porter airline plane was nearly knocked out of the sky by an unidentified object. Reports are coming in that a passenger plane with 58 people on board suddenly encountered a UFO or an object in their flight path. The pilot had to suddenly nosedive the plane, causing 2 injuries as flight attendants were knocked out. Aviation experts believe this could be a drone or a hot air balloon, but they would say that. Even the pilot has stated 20 years ago if a pilot seen an unknown object, it was a UFO. Today it's a drone, and even at 9,000 feet, that just doesn't seem plausible. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts on the situation, guys. Is it possible that a plane could be knocked out of the sky by a UFO? Could that have happened to the Malaysian Airlines plane that went missing? Let us know your thoughts. Also, please give us a like as it helps our channel, and don't forget to click that subscribe button to check out more information coming soon.